Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Ghostface, and look what we got today. We will be opening up this Prismatic Evolutions ETB. Yes, sir. Very excited to open this up. Let's see. I'm pretty hyped. Let's start this opening. Anyways, hopefully everybody's having a good day. Excuse me. I am really excited for this. This set is so freaking hype everywhere. I've seen crazy clips online, even with like the Blooming Waters set. Woo! Clean. All right, let's get this popped open. I apologize for like the bad setup. I need a tripod. And I do want to get one pretty soon so I can get y'all a better angle. Let's look at this, man. I mean, the booklet is like so cool. Got all the EXs here, but what we want is where is it? Our SIRs. These right here, the evolutions. We got Jolteon, Espeon, Sylveon, the big boy, Umbreon. That's what we're looking for. Alright. Let's pop this open. We got our packs. I really apologize for like. We got this energy cards. What else we got? Oh goodness. It's like stuck in there. Alright, let's take this out. Here are the sleeves, the EV sleeves. Let me pull one out. Yep, as the prices have been going down, if what I've noticed, been seeing online that the prices have been going down. These are the EV sleeves, very beautiful. And look at this right here, the promo card. Bust this open. The beautiful EV promo card. Even the dividers, like everything's like so high quality with this. Let's put these aside. Wow. What an amazing card. Very adorable. The quality looks actually pretty good. I need to get this graded. We're going to send that in to get graded. Code card for everybody right here. Here are the dividers. Very nice. Very nice. These are sick. And what else we got? You know, typical stuff. Dice, damage counters. Excuse me. And what we've all been waiting for. 9 booster packs of Prismatic Evolution. 9 of them. I will be setting one aside. This is for the homie, Chris. Chris, if you're watching this one's for you. That one's getting set aside for him. Because he's a cool guy. He deserves it. Alright, let's get this started. We're looking for any SIRs of the evolution, specifically evolutions, because that's what we want. Or a God Pack or a Master Ball. That's what we definitely want. Cool. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Lightning Energy, Slowpoke, Fans Rotom, Hippopotamus, Badoo, Trainer, Executor. Hey, look chillin'. Look happy. Lacey, Duskull, Kieran, and a Blood Moon Ursaluna regular hollow. Cool. Next pack. Alright. Code card. Alright. Oh, I think I see something in there. I hope it is something. A good hit. We got Psychic Energy, Slowpoke. Did we just see this? Duskull, Cottonee, Litleo, Slowking, Binding Mochi, Area Zero, Slowking, Noibat. Oh yeah! We got, why is it bent? Is it bent? No, it just looks like that. Yo, we got the EVEX. Dude, look at this. Wow, this looks sick. Just leaving that up real quick. Shout out to these beautiful sleeves right here. And it's the clear sleeves is what I like. It's not the ones that look blurry. Woo! Nice. First hit right there. Next pack. I really need to get a tripod. But I will be getting a tripod pretty soon. That way I can give y'all a better angle on how these looks. Because right now it's a little awkward for me as well. Code card. Alright. Oh, nice. Hollow energy. Spritzy. Roto Stick. Cottony. Professor's Research. Screentail. Briar. Holucha. Oh, Pokeball. Ogre's Mask. Can you focus, please? Focus, camera. Pokeball. Nice. Jolteon. Sick. And a Glaceon. Hollow. Cool. Next pack. Code card. I know the pull rates are buns right now. I've been hearing. Let's see, you got Darkness Energy, Dracloak, one of my favorites. I love this line, the Dreepy line. Preference Research. Dragapult's such a sick looking Pokemon. Love. Power, Buddy Poffin, Seaking, Houndour, Heatran, and a Whimsicott, regular hollow. Just organizing this because it's just a big mess right here. Oh man, it feels so fun opening up another ETB. I haven't opened up an ETB. When was the last ETB I opened up? I think it was, what am I doing? Full card. I forgot what it was, but I think I forgot what that set was called. It's the one with the Roaring Moon. We got Fighting Energy, Lilio, Dracloak, Duraludon. I just saw this. Pupitar, Trainer, Regigigas, Carmine, Pinsir, Rescue Board, and Arcaludon. Hollow. Man, we only have one EX so far. Code card. One EX so far. Yep, I can see these pull rates are buns. Oh, okay, we got the Hollow Energy, the Darkness one. Sick. Let's set that aside. Trainer, Lopunny, you freaks. Friends in Paldea, Bronzor, Kieran, Xavier, Big Sherlin, Crispin. Ooh, we got an A spec. Dude, that looks sick. Maximum Bell. And a Slowpoke with a Pokeball. Oh wait, there's something else in here. Oh, damn. Triple banger? We got the Iron Thorns EX. Sweet. Wow. Triple banger. That's awesome. You sleeve these up. Hopefully I can complete the master set of this. I really want to complete it. No. This will be sick to complete. We're down to the last couple packs. Sorry, I'm just sleeving up everything right now. Don't get mad at me. Sweet. Okay. 2 packs left. Let's get it. Hopefully we get an SIR. Please, Pokegods, bless me with such a wonderful card like that. Code card. Fire Energy, still hollow? No, not just a basic. Bronzor, Aromatisse, Eevee, very nice. Hippowdon, Great Tusk, Trainer, Suicune, very nice. Badoo, Screamtail, and a Groudon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Last pack magic, perchance? Perchance, maybe. Hopefully so. Code card. Steel Energy, the hollow card. Versus Research. Pinsir. Black Belt's Training. Badoo. Lacy. Falucha. Techno Radar. Roto Stick. Pokeball. Very nice. Blood Moon Ursaluna. And another Iron Thorns EX. What? Come on. Man. Another Iron Thorns EX. What? That's insane. Why did I get 2 of those? Come on, man. Well, that's it right there. That is it. Let's take a look at the recap real quick. Let me just organize these. Man, I thought we were going to get something different. That kind of sucks, but that's fine. Pokeball. Trainer. Alright, sorry. Alright, so let's take a little recap of what we pulled. These little hollow energies look cool. We got the A-Spec Maximum Bell. Whoop some ass with that. We got the Pokeball Ogre's Mask. The Pokeball Roto Stick. The Pokeball Slowpoke. We pulled not 1, but 2 Iron Thorns EXs. We did pull this Eevee EX, which looks really nice. And we have the promo Eevee. Alright, y'all. Well, that will be the end of the video. Anyways, thank y'all so much for stopping by, watching the video. Hopefully, y'all have fun opening up Prismatic Evolutions. Like I said, please don't buy over the MSRP price. You will be able to get that soon once Pokemon starts reprinting more. Anyways, y'all have a good night and deuces.